Have you ever played in hangover? I mean, before one day, you had a party and
Right.
you are in hangover and you are on the pitch and you are watching two bowlers are coming.
Right now, Capo, I'm pretty hungover on your show right now. I can tell you that. And you see how good I am, right?
Yeah, very nice, bro.
Yes, I played hungover, and I've actually been even better.
But is there any moment in Australia, especially,
Yeah.
when Indian team went there to play, and you went to Sachin or Sehwag or Yuvraj, and you told them, "See, my girlfriend or my wife is there, watching me live. Don't play so hard. I will take you out for shopping after the match." I mean, you are friends with all the players.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's been plenty of occasions where I've got batsmen out, but they've smacked me as well. Every time that we played against Sachin Tendulkar, we normally got 100 against us. I mean, he's a genius. But no, it was more so. We always played, same as I was played against, the universe boss. We always play so hard on the field. Like, there's energy, there's sledging, it's fun. But off the field, we're really good friends. I caught up the other day with Sachin, which was nice to see for afternoon tea. But there's no cricket balls bowled, luckily.
Nice, but of course, I know you were friends with all the players, but people were scared of your bowling.
Very quick.
Like you, I mean, bowlers are scared to bowl you.
I mean, I was scared too. Brett Lee bowling 95 miles per hour, that's not an easy thing to face.
Wow.
So it's a good thing I was young that day anyway still. And I have a good eyesight at the time. And I could have picked up his delivery.
It was always funny, though, that, you'd be at breakfast prior to a test match or a one-day match, and, both teams would be staying at the same hotel. And I'll be down there, and someone from the opposition would offer would you like a juice? Do you want some coffee? Do you want some more toast? I'm like, I'm still going to bounce you.
They're trying to be nice
But
to
thank
you.
you. Yes, I'll have a coffee, but look out.
Yeah, try to be friendly.
But Chris, what is your favorite dish? What do you like to eat?
Butter chicken. But Jamaican dish, it's called ackee and salt fish. Voila.
Voila.
Yes, beautiful. When you come to Jamaica, I will cook that for you.
Oh, wow.
I can't wait.
So you don't eat spicy dishes,
Yeah,
right?
Tora spice. It's hard, Gora farangi, Tora spice.
I don't like my chava. Will you be my AC?
AC क्या होता है?
ऐसी बोल रही थी एक दिन के लिए अगर मेरे ये छावा बन जाते तो नाला सुपारा में लोग कितने खुश होते ना बाहर गांव का लड़का साथ में लेकर आइए आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई मीट यू नो
You too. Nice to meet you.
यू ब्रेट ली
Yes.
माइकल अंडा ली
Guys, don't take her seriously. She's not she, she's he.
ही ऐसा मैं बोली
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया से तूफानी बॉलर मिस्टर ब्रेटली. वेलकम ब्रेट सर. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे मेहमानों के लिए. Chris, Brett, welcome to our show. They are asking for sixer.
Namaste.
Sir, so happy to have you back. Welcome back.
Thank you very
so
much.
much. It's good to be back.
Thank you, my bro. What would you
Namaste.
like to have? Tea, coffee, or chilled beer?
Cold beer.
Chill beer, man. I'll have a chill beer.
You know that lady who is sitting?
Hi.
Ah, namaste.
Yeah, yeah.
Namaste.
She's very expert in handmade liquor. Yeah.
Okay.
You remember when you came last time in my show, Brett, sir, you also?
Yep.
There was Sidhuji sitting in front of you.
Yeah.
Now, are you missing him?
No, I'm not.
Where is he? Much better. It's much better to look at a Sundar Leraki.
Aha.
Brett, sir, after retirement, you started flirting also?
कपिल सुंदर बोला ठीक है लेकिन लड़की बोला.
अच्छा, Chris इतने chilled out man है. It seems that you keep doing party, bro.
Yeah.
So last night you were doing party or you were just staying in the hotel?
I did a little bit of partying last night. Don't tell anybody, please.
No.
You know me already. I don't party too much, right?
Oh yeah.
You know, last time when Gail came to my show, he showed some of pictures from his house in West Indies. And he was showing, see, this is my house. I'm partying. She's my wife. And who is she? She's my ex-girlfriend. And she's also my ex. And 3 of his exes were present in the party. Wow. You have girlfriend in India also?
Not many. Only 2. Not many.
Oh, in India.
Yeah, only 2 in India.
Chris, this man is so jealous.
Is he?
Brett sir, what about you? Do you have any friend in India who is girl also? Oh. Is it your wedding ring?
Of course. Yeah.
Oh.
No, everyone knows. I love coming to India. It's an amazing place. Lots of great people over here. But great to be back on your show. It's been 7 or 8 years since I've been here. It's been a long time.
क्या बोले? Sorry, my English is when you came last time.
You want
My
in Hindi?
English was very weak.
Well, my
now
Hindi
it's
thoda.
almost dead. Oh. Welcome, guys. We're so happy
you.
to have you back. Please. Chris
Jingle.
has a very beautiful smile, but today it's showing extra large. Is it because you are on my show, bro?
Yeah. Bright smile. Ching.
Any toothpaste company approach you for ad?
You know what? They say they run out of money. They can't afford me these days.
मेरे को बताओ क्या बोला?
कह रहा है मेरे को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते ये लोग
Oh,
कमर्शियल के
come
लिए.
on, man.
Yeah?
Chris, so many girls and women wanted to ask you. You have such a long hair.
Yeah.
How much time do you take to tie and fold? I mean,
My hairstylist in Jamaica, it takes about an hour because, she's so accustomed doing it now, so it's pretty much, it's normal to her to just finish it quickly. But it's just, you want to feel, come and touch it, yeah?
oh. Guys, Brett Lee is also multi-talented person. He looks like a model, actually.
Yeah.
Model. I don't
He
think
sings
so.
very well. He plays guitar also.
Wow.
So all these are your hobbies or you have too much EMIs to pay?
Probably. I've always played cricket, but music's been my passion. But I was better at cricket, so I stuck to cricket. But I love all things. I love,
No, it's a good thing, actually.
you have to be busy. Gotta be busy. So that's what I'm.
So, in between, I have to speak in Hindi also.
Thoda Hindi.
Oh, thanks for telling me.
Namaste. Keso.
कैसे हो?
कैसे हो?
Yeah, good. Up se milke kushi hoy.
वाह, man! हमें भी बहुत खुशी हुई.
Thank you.
अच्छा, क्रिस की जैसी पर्सनालिटी है ना, लंबी चौड़ी पर्सनालिटी है.
हाँ.
ये मैदान में उतर कर ना बैट से ऐसे पिच चेक करता है ना जाके जब क्रिस ऐसे करके, तो जो अंपायर होता है ना, वो घबरा जाता है कि ये अगर गलत डिसीजन मैंने दे दिया, इसको आउट दे दिया, तो ये बॉलर के साथ साथ मुझे भी पीटेगा. वो ना थर्ड अंपायर को पास आउट कर देते थे डिसीजन. क्रिस, डोंट यू हैव ट्रस्ट ऑन द एक्सपर्ट्स और यू जस्ट वांट टू शो द बॉलर्स दैट इफ यू विल mess with me, I will beat you with this bat like this only. I mean,
Not really. Sometimes the crack pops up a bit, so I'm just tapping it back in place, pretty much. And I'm just, hey, stay down.
Stay down.
Stay down. Stay down. I'm here, And just let the bowler know, say, hey, I'm going to let the bat do the talking as well.
Brett, you're so handsome, man.
Backstreet Boys.
When you're fielding at the boundary,
Yeah.
some girl is cheering your name behind you. So your concentration remains.
Of course, I'll just tell her, aramse, Relax.
Chris, You're a very strong player, you know, very tall, you know, but you're not stronger than this lady. You know, there was a cricketer, Mr. Sidhu.
Yeah?
He used to sit in front of me, but you know, she ate him.
Wow.
She swallowed him without any sip of water.
Wow. Wow.
That's
Well-
nice, nice.
One thing I can tell you, that's a beautiful view right there. That's a beautiful view I'm looking at right there. Beautiful view.
You got good taste. देखा आज तू फ्लर्ट नहीं कर रहा मैं फ्लर्ट कर रही हूँ
मुझे इंग्लिश बनाने में टाइम लग रहा नहीं तो मेरा बातें बहुत है मेरे दिमाग में. You know, I'm unable to make a sentence. Otherwise, there are too many things in my brain which are not coming out, you know, in English.
Yeah.
Let me think. अच्छा हमारे इंडिया में ऐसा होता है ना कोई फिल्म स्टार जब बड़े पॉपुलर हो जाते हैं उनके नाम पे मेन्यू बना देते रेस्टोरेंट वाले. चिकन संजू बाबा, दीपिका पादुकोण डोसा. Have you heard any dish on your name?
I've seen a few restaurants that people have sent me photos on Instagram or Twitter, and they've seen something on the menu which no one's even asked for the approval, but hey, it works over here in India. But I would probably say something to do with a spicy dish, you know, because it's got some
Spicy
some
dish.
fire.
Ah.
So you don't eat spicy dishes,
Yeah,
right?
tota spice.
Tota
It's hard, you know. Gora farangi, tota spice.
Wow. You know, Indian people, they are spice lover actually. So there's so much spices in our food.
No, no, it's-
That's why we don't use tissue paper because it catches fire. Sorry.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Do you like cooking, Chris? Or you just like to eat like Archana ji?
You know what? I love to eat. You know, I'm too hot to be in the kitchen.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I kind of stay away from the kitchen and the chef handle the business and then I'll do the eating. I got you, baby.
आज पहला आदमी है जो आपके साथ फ्लर्ट कर रहा है देखो आप. You're the first one, you know, who is flirting with her.
Am I?
Otherwise, everyone is afraid of her.
She does have a nice smile. I like her smile.
You got good taste. But Chris, what is your favorite dish? What do you like to eat?
Butter chicken. But Jamaican dish, it's called ackee and salt fish. Voila.
Voila.
Yes, beautiful. When you come to Jamaica, I will cook that for you.
Oh, wow.
I can't wait.
Brett, what do you like most about India?
Well, the people, you know, the warm hospitality. I worked out now that next year will be a big celebration for me because I'll be 30 years I've been coming to India. It's a
Wow.
long
Wow.
time. So going to have a big party next year. But just the warmth, the hospitality, you know, the friendly smiles. You've only got to, you know, drive down the road, you see all the kids on the street, they've all got a big, beautiful smile on their faces. But yeah, it's great to see. I've never been to a country that loves a particular sport as much as India.
As much as
you know,
India.
and it's beautiful.
अच्छा क्रिस गाते तो अच्छा है ही. अभी हाल ही में इन्होंने इंडियन सिंगर और कंपोजर के साथ एक पार्टी एंथम के लिए कोलैबोरेशन भी किया है. चलिए उस शख्स को यहाँ पे बुलाते हैं. आप सबकी जोरदार तालियों के बीच प्लीज वेलकम जिस्म टू, बरेली की बर्फी, रुस्तम, केसरी जैसी फिल्मों के गाने कंपोज कर चुके कंपोजर एंड सिंगर आर्को प्रावो मुखर्जी. आर्को माय ब्रो, वेलकम वेलकम टू माय शो. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. आर्को के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. ये देखिए पर्सनालिटी बंगाल के संजय दत्त हैं ये आर्को को मैं बहुत पहले से जानता हूं. ऐसा भी नहीं है. इन्होंने जब पिछले साल मेरे एक स्टैंड अप के लिए आई एम नॉट डन येट के लिए एक गाना, बड़ा ही खूबसूरत गाना कंपोज किया जो मेरे फादर को डेडिकेट था
Wow.
गाना, और ये आर्को सर ने कंपोज किया था. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग था सर. थैंक यू थैंक यू. उसके बाद में इन्होंने मुझे कहा कि जल्दी कुछ और प्लान करते हैं. मैं तभी समझ गया ये बंदा बिना कपिल शर्मा शो में आए मानेगा नहीं. तो आज आप हमारे शो पे वेलकम. आइए, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Arko made a song with Chris whose name is Oh Fatima. Arko, do you like the singing of Chris or do you like his batting?
एक्चुअली यहाँ पे जितने लोग हैं, आई थिंक वी ऑल आर बिग फैंस ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. तो ये पहली बार जो आज तो मैं लग रहा है संगीतकार के बजाय ट्रांसलेटर
We are all doing that job.
मैं पीछे देख रहा था और इतना इतना मजेदार बातचीत है. मैं सोचा कि इवेंचुअली आना ही पड़ेगा किसी हिंदी भाषी को.
ये कपिल की पहली स्ट्रगल है. इसने वैसे स्ट्रगल नहीं किया, यहाँ स्ट्रगल कर रहा है अंग्रेजी में.
नहीं, मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है क्यों आई हैव लाइव टूर इन यूएसए
Have you?
in July.
he's
Yes.
practicing
So
his
I am
English.
practicing with you guys.
You know what? So I was on here, I think it was 2015 was the last time I was on this show, or the only time I've been on this show.
Oh.
And no matter where I am in the world,
Huh.
if I bump into an Indian person, someone with Indian heritage, they always say the first thing, I saw you on the Kapil Sharma
How
show.
sweet.
God.
Thank you.
Yeah. I mean that.
I can. Same thing. They don't say anything about cricket.
Yeah.
Kapil Sharma.
But you
It's
know,
so true.
thank you, bro. You know, when I met first time Brett sir and of course Chris sir, I got to know that he has such a good sense of humor, Brett sir. हालांकि मुझे कई बातें समझ नहीं आ रही थी इंग्लिश की वजह से, कई मेरे सर के ऊपर से निकली. But that time सिद्धू पाजी was sitting in front of me. So today I'm missing him.
तू मिस कर ले. ये दोनों बोल रहे हैं ये मिस नहीं कर रहे हैं. You're not
we-
missing सिद्धू.
Nahi.
Nahi hai.
ओह, आर्को कंपोजर बड़े कमाल के हैं, सिंगर भी बड़े कमाल के हैं. अच्छा, किसी सिंगर के साथ अगर आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, यू नो, इट्स वेरी इजी टू टीच हिम और हर कि आपका ये सुर ऊपर नीचे हो गया है. लेकिन क्रिस जैसी पर्सनालिटी के साथ जब आप रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो, आपकी हिम्मत होती थी इनको बोलने की कि भाई तुम्हारा सुर गलत हो गया है.
जो भी वहाँ पे हो रहा है, मैं तो कमाल का बहुत.
बैट लेके डबिंग कर रहे थे ये.
But I must say one thing, because I have recorded Kapil once, और बहुत सुरीला गाते हैं आप.
थैंक यू भाई, शुक्रिया. Chris, in this song with Arko, you are rapping, you know?
Yeah.
So you learn how to rap or?
Yeah, I learn how to rap. I'm a learner. You know, I love to listen. I love to learn as
Wow,
well.
this is a good
But
thing.
Arco is so good. You know, he's good with the lyrics and everything like that. And when he sent that track to me as well, you know, it's like he demoed it a bit and said, "This is how I want the song to be sound." I'm like, I've never done it like that before. And you know, immediately I did like the beat, and he said, "Hey, let's do it."
Wow.
So it was pretty good.
बट क्रिस का जो नेचुरल स्वैग है कि कोई सीख नहीं सकता. तो बहुत मजेदार गाना है. वी वांट एवरीबॉडी टू डांस एंड एंजॉय एंड हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम. एंड हु बेटर देन क्रिस, यूनिवर्स बॉस.
But I want to ask you, Arko, ये फातिमा कौन है?
हाँ, तो
Yes.
ये
Oh,
Who is Fatima?
Who's Fatima?
You.
Brett sir, do you have any plan to collaborate with any other singer in India?
Not at the moment. I'm trying to think back. It was 2006 when I had the pleasure to sing that song with
Asha
Asha
ji.
Bosley. But I wrote that song in 18 minutes. A
Wow.
cheesy little love song I wrote.
Wow.
But she's a legend. Asha
हम
G.
इंडिया में हम लव सॉन्ग के ही दीवाने हैं, है कि नहीं?
Absolutely.
हमें तुम्हारा हूँ तुम्हारी ही रहूंगा.
Chris, now you are retired from cricket.
Huh? Who told? Are you retiring
Make
me?
a comeback.
I'm making
Now,
a comeback.
please tell me the truth. Have you ever played in Hangover? I mean, before one day, you know, you had a party and
Right.
you are in Hangover and you are on the pitch and you are watching two bowlers are coming.
Right now, Kapil, I'm pretty hungover on your show right now. I can tell you that. And you see how good I am, right?
Yeah, very nice, bro.
Yes, I played hungover, and I've actually been even better.
बंद करो है बंद करो
बंद करो भाई, बंद करो.
बंद करो बंद करो बंद करो छोटा छोटा बंद करो बंद करो बंद करो क्लीन बोर्ड के चल.
बैठिए. बहुत सीरियस टॉपिक पे बात होने वाली है. बैठिए आप लोग प्लीज. हम लोग बहुत परेशान हैं. हाँ, क्या बोल रही थी, बोलो.
बंद करो चौका छक्का बंद करो।
हाँ बंद करो भाई बंद करो, कैच आउट क्लीन बोल्ड बंद
बंद
करो
बंद करो बंद करो
बंद करो
अरे
बंद
तेरे
करो।
को बोल रही है बंद करो। आ गए लेना हम लोग इधर, अभी इन लोग से बात करेंगे।
सपना क्या हो गया?
कप्पू मैं हेलो सर नमस्ते।
Namaste.
नो स्मोकिंग नो पार्किंग। प्लीज कीप द टॉयलेट क्लीन। हमको इतना इंग्लिश आता है। हाँ एक्चुअली कप्पू हम लोग ना इधर वो चीयर लीडर लोग का हक मांगने के लिए आई ली है मैं इधर।
क्या हक मांगने हैं?
एक्चुअली देखो क्या रहता है, ये क्रिकेटर लोग जब चौका छक्का मारते हैं इन लोगों को बार बार नाचना पड़ता है। देखो नाच नाच के कैसा LBW जैसा मुंह हो गया इन लोग का। कितना प्रॉब्लम है अभी ये देखो। यू नो सर बेचारी हर नेम इज करीना बट लगती करीम लाला है। मालूम है सर कल बॉल आके सीधा इसके मुंह पे लगी थी। हम लोग बहुत परेशान, इसका तो पैर भी टूट गया।
इसके भी बॉल लगी?
नहीं इसका तो स्कूटी में एक्सीडेंट हुआ था। एक्चुअली क्या है ना ये पापा की परी है। ये मार्केट में गई थी, सामने दुकान आ गई तो दुकान ब्रेक नहीं मार पाई, ऐसा हो। अपनी मांग तो बताओ।
आज का खाना और जाने का भाड़ा।
खबरदार जो इधर सीनियर आर्टिस्ट के साथ कंपैरिजन किया तो तुमने। भाड़ा चाहिए, पहले उनके लेवल की चीयर लीडर बनो।
वो कहाँ चीयर लीडर है?
अरे पूरी दुनिया जानती है वो एक लीडर की चेयर पर बैठी रहती है। चलो चलो जल्दी नारे लगाओ नारे।
हमें हमारी हक दो
हक दो हक दो।
हक रही थी क्या? हक दो क्या होता है? हक दो नहीं, हमें हमारा हक दो बोलना।
अरे दीदी इतने हैंडसम हैंडसम क्रिकेटर आए हैं, आज हक दिलवा दो, हक किसी और दिन देख लेंगे।
शर्म नहीं आती तुम लोग को? बकवास कर रहे इधर आके, एक तो लड़का हो के लड़की बन के इधर आए हो।
सेम टू यू।
हाँ हाँ मैं क्या तेरे को हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बोली जो सेम टू यू बोल रही है? चलो निकलो इधर से, तुम लोग निकलो, हटो। बढ़िया है, जाओ 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 जाओ। हाय हेलो हाउ यू?
नमस्ते।
हाय कबूतर उड़ा के दिखाओ ना थोड़ा। हेलो। मेरे को पूछने का था कप्पू।
हाँ।
सर लोग उधर पहाड़ों से कब आए?
हैं? मतलब?
नहीं मैंने सुना था इन लोगों ने सन्यास लिया है ना, तो सन्यासी लोग तो पहाड़ों में रहते हैं इसलिए
अरे
मैं पूछ
क्रिकेट से संन्यास लिया है।
क्रिकेट से सन्यास ले लिया?
यस।
काहे को? काहे को सन्यास लिया? अभी उम्र ही क्या है आप लोग की? कितनी रहेगी अब? ये अच्छा किया सन्यास लिया। अरे मैं 2 फॉरेनर लोग से तो बात हो गई।
हाँ।
खैर मैं इसको प्रॉपरली बात करेंगे इनसे। हाँ हेलो सर।
Hello.
Where you are sitting, this is a very historical place.
Yeah, thank you.
In 400 BC, King Emperor Kapil Sharma made this empire. And in this empire, I made a beauty parlor here, Sapna Beauty Parlor, one of the best parlor in the world. Please, we have different type of massage.
It's very sophisticated massage she's talking about.
We have different type of massage. Please come $400, $400.
सपना ये क्या बोल रही है मेहमानों को तू?
कप्पू मैंने देखे ला जब अंग्रेज लोग एयरपोर्ट पे उतरते हैं ना, लोग उनसे ऐसे ही बात करते हैं। इसलिए मैं, चलो आप लोग से तो बात हो गई अभी। ये तीसरा फॉरेनर से हम बात नहीं किए। हेलो स्वातिका।
ओ, हेलो।
आप उन खा।
वो इंडियन है।
आप इंडियन है? क्या बोलते हैं? मतलब इनका भी वही डोनट वाला हिसाब है।
कैसे?
देखने में मेदू वड़ा लेकिन नाम इंग्लिश रखा हुआ है डोनट। सर मैं क्या बोलती है?
बहुत डर लगता है आपसे सीधे।
अरे नहीं ये सर ये आगरे के पेठे पे गाना बनाओ ना।
ये पेठे पे गाना क्यों बनाएंगे?
जब ये बरेली की बर्फी पे गाना बना सकते हैं तो आगरे के पेठे पे क्यों नहीं बना सकते? सर मैं आई कम हियर?
Sure.
आई वांट टू वेरी
Watch out,
नाइस।
Chris. Watch out.
First time personality matching I got someone. You know, everybody say I am big lady, big lady. First time I got big leda also. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
You're a tall ladki.
No, I'm not ladki. Come on shooting and then we both become ladki. She's not Fatima. You say no, she Fatima, no. You see Fati Bap.
Party Bob.
Fati Bap. Sir, you know what is this? This is called petha. Petha, petha.
Peta, peta.
Peta, peta.
Peta, peta.
You कैसे समझो?
Sweet dish, sweet dish.
Sweet dish. Agra, you know, petha. This big kaddu. You kaddu, you cut. And then you put in sugar. And then gap. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं कैसे आप लोग इंग्लिश में कैसे बात करते हैं मैं कैसे बहुत मुश्किल रहता रहेगा
How you doing, Will?
ये पेटा समझाते मेरा खुद का मालपुआ निकल गया ये नाइस मस्कुलर है नाइस माय छावा इज कूलर छोटा है
Tell her what is the meaning of chava.
A boyfriend.
Chawa.
छावा
Boyfriend.
you understand छावा
Nahi, no.
I'll make you understand you know what is no you know what is छावा
No?
sir when you go theater to watching a film okay and you sit in the corner and you don't watch the film
Now I understand.
I don't like my छावा will you be my AC
AC क्या होता है?
ऐसी बोल रही थी एक दिन के लिए अगर मेरे ये छावा बन जाते तो नाला सुपारा में लोग कितने खुश होते ना बाहर गांव का लड़का साथ में लेकर आइए आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई मीट यू नो
You too. Nice to meet you.
यू ब्रेट ली
Yes.
मैं कल अंडा ली
Guys, don't take her seriously. You know, she's not she, she's he.
ही ऐसा मैं बोली
हंस क्यों रही है?
मेरे को ना एक्चुअली आई हैव कम फॉर लिटिल जॉब इफ यू कैन गिव मी मेरे को ना चेयर लीडर का जॉब चाहिए था क्रिकेट में यू नो चेयर लीडर का कैसे रहता है आप लोग जानते हो चौके और छक्के पे नाचते वो लोग मैं सिंगल के लिए भी नाच ले
चल, सिंगल के लिए कौन नाचता है?
सिंगल के लिए नाचना ना कपू इजी रहता है
कैसे?
क्योंकि अगर शादीशुदा के लिए नाचो ना तो फिर औरत आ जाती है ऐसे हाँ औरत ऐसे इन स्विंग आती है तो हमको खिड़की से आउट स्विंग होना पड़ता है खैर whenever you come
Yeah.
no problem I can meet you
Yeah.
I take only 1 hour to become a girl क्या हो गया मेरे को खैर you know I just wanted to ask you people why you people on ground when you play cricket why you scared
Why?
डरते
कहाँ
हैं?
कहाँ डरते हैं?
अरे एक आदमी रहता है उधर वो ऐसा करता है तो आप लोग ऐसा चले जाते हैं डर के ऐसा काय को नाइस बॉडी यू हैव
Out.
अरे वो अंपायर होता है. He's umpire.
Yeah.
अच्छा,
When he say out, then he
अच्छा वो
has to leave.
एम्पायर रहता है ओ यू नो हम लोग अपना गली का आई स्टे नाला सुपारा
When does that? It's out.
हाँ 2000 का नोट बंद हो गया है
Shower.
फिर
यू नो मैं ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं उधर नाला सुपारा में व्हेन आई प्ले क्रिकेट नो दैट एम्पायर माय एम्पायर नॉट गुड मैन वो
Why?
Really?
हाँ
Why?
मैं उधर खेलती है ना तो मेरे को ऐसा हक का इशारा करता है ऐसा बार बार
अरे वो वाइड बॉल का इशारा होता है.
वो वाइट बॉल रहता है
Yes.
तो फिर वो ना मेरे को ऐसा ऐसा भी करता है ये कितना खराब है ये ऐसा अच्छा नहीं
सपना,
लगा।
ये लेग बाय का इशारा होता है.
अच्छा ये सब क्रिकेट का इशारा रहता है ओ तभी तो ये भी क्रिकेट का होगा ना ऐसा करके
ये गलत है. ये गलत किया उसने.
नहीं गलत नहीं पूरा अच्छे से किया था ऐसा करके किया लेकिन वो गलत पता है क्यों नहीं है क्योंकि उसने ग्राउंड के बाहर किया था
अच्छा.
अगर ग्राउंड के अंदर करता ना मैं उसको बताती,
क्या बताती?
अपना नंबर बताती कि बाद में कॉल करना, अभी साथ में मेरा छावा मुकेश आयल है, ऐसा करके. You very nice, you very long, huh? I want to see match my height with you.
Very long.
Oh my God. Chris, you 6'3", no?
Yeah.
After 6, I am free. Let's meet. Okay, sit.
Oh my God, Archana, yeah! How's you?
Hey, man, what is this? What? How you क्या होता है?
Arre, this is cricketing language, yaar.
Appealing.
That's what you do. How's that? Yeah?
You know, Chris, these are two men wearing one kurta.
हाय, ये क्या है? हमने जरा सा अपील कर दिया अपील स्टाइल में. ऑल्दो ये जगह कपिल का है, पर कभी कभी अपील भी हो जाता है. चलता रहता है. हाय हाय हाय. ओह, really pleasure. नमस्ते. And how are you doing, Chris Gayle जी?
Yes, sir.
And Greatly जी.
Bradley.
लेकिन ये खेलते हैं Greatly. Anyway, sir, let me introduce. That is Buffalo, my Buffalo there.
Nice.
And Buffalo, that is Goat.
ये क्या बोल रहा है?
Goat. G-O-A-T, greatest of all time. Goat. And Goat, that is Boat. That is Bhaisia of all time.
बच्चा तू बड़ी आज इंग्लिश बोल रहा है, तेरी धोती ना खुल जाए कहीं?
Bro, अगर आपको भी इंग्लिश चाहिए ना, हमको बोलिए. इंग्लिश हम आपको दे देंगे, चखना और सोडा वहां से लेना पड़ेगा. Anyways, यार मेहमान आए हैं, bro. Did you ask them? Tea, coffee, anything?
Yes.
You did? Sir, you want tea? Tea. Okay. 3 + 1. Sarma ji, 4 tea and 2 samosa for my consumption.
Nice. And some tandapani.
And some tandapani.
Garam nahi.
Pani.
Garam nahi?
Garam nahi.
Okay, too much garmi outside.
Exactly.
Hot.
Too much.
Yeah.
Samosa is not available right now. You want iron rod?
Iron rod you're
डंडा
calling?
लेके आऊं मैं?
डंडा? डंडे आप एक काम कीजिए, 6 मंगा दीजिए. 3 वहां लगाएंगे, 3 यहाँ लगाएंगे. मैच हो जाए. शर्मा जी, इसके लिए आज बता रहे हैं. आज जो भी बातचीत होगा ना, शुरुआत कहीं से भी हो, एंड क्रिकेट पे ही होगा.
चल टाइम ना वेस्ट कर, चल निकला और अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को भी लेके चल. हट.
You want me to go?
Yeah.
This is not cricketing language. Want me to go? I will take review of that. Review. Audience, he's saying I go. Should I go?
No.
You lose the review, bro.
But I have the mountain view, bro.
Sir, I didn't tell you my name only. Myself, Bachcha Yadav.
Okay.
You know Surya Kumar Yadav?
Of course.
Me and him have very deep connection.
क्या कनेक्शन है?
अरे उनका भी 2000 का नोट बंद हो गया, हमारा भी 2000 का नोट बंद हो गया.
Brett, he has also big connection with Buffalo, you know. She eats his meal, he eats her meal.
शर्मा जी, हम अगली बार आएंगे ना, आपके लिए दूध लेके आएंगे.
दूध क्यों?
कि दूध का दही कीजिए ना, हमारे दिमाग का क्यों कर रहा है? You know what? There was a time when I was small kid, even.
I can't believe you were small.
I was really small kid that time. I wanted to become cricketer.
Oh.
But I don't know in life what happened. बन नहीं पाए हम.
क्यों?
सारा दिन तो तू भैंस चराता रहता, क्रिकेटर कहाँ से बनेगा?
तो आपके पास भैंस तो है नहीं, आप बन गए क्या क्रिकेटर? What logic? What I will tell you, हम ना cricketer, I couldn't become one cricketer. But I am from family of cricketer.
Really?
My father, very big cricketer.
मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है कि तुम्हारे पिताजी फुटबॉलर रहे होंगे. नहीं तो ये गोल किसने किया? Who did this goal?
शर्मा जी,
अगर हम चाहें तो विराट कोहली की तरह आपको जवाब भी दे सकते हैं, लेकिन आज हमारा गंभीर रहने का मन कर रहा है। वैसे I'm telling you, Chris Gayle ji, one boy in my village,
Yeah.
very good cricketer, hitting shots like that, like that, like that. Everyone in my village call him Chris Gayle, Chris Gayle. But he said, no, don't call me Chris Gayle, call me Sachin.
Sachin kid. He must be a fan of Sachin.
No, no, his name is Sachin.
वाह बच्चा.
Bacha bhai.
Hey, bhai.
I forget to tell you something.
Yeah.
Get up. करने क्या आए हो यहाँ पे?
I have come because Brett Lee ji and Chris Gayle ji, I want to teach you commentary in Bhojpuri.
Okay.
There is a regional language in India.
Regional language called Bhojpuri, and nowadays Bhojpuri language is catching up. So instead of English, you should try Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri.
It's a lot of fun.
Okay.
I will teach you. See, if you are giving commentary, okay, and someone has hit a century,
Yep.
you say, "Eh, ba, ka garda uda de."
Yeah, ba, Kata got it.
Ka garda uda de.
God got her.
Garda uda de.
Kaka uda hai.
Nice, nice, nice. One more situation I'll give you. That someone is
Toro one, like.
a smaller one.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly.
So someone is batting.
Yeah.
And suddenly he gets LBW. You say, Amai Ramai.
Amaramai.
Someone hits a huge six. You say, Lailota. Kya baat hai?
Yeah.
Kya baat hai? Where to go?
Lailota.
Very nice. I'm a producer also of Bhojpuri movies. My movie is called Bauji Karel Pout Devar Ho Gail Run Out.
Good luck with that.
Bauji
Bauji.
Karel Pout.
Bauji karve.
Come here, Paul.
Pout.
Bout.
Devar Ho Gail Run Out.
Run out.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow. One more.
one more.
Chris, छक्का ना चौका.
Chakna chokoka.
Okay, once more.
That was a chaka, not chaka.
छक्का sixer.
Chakka.
Chauka means 4.
Yeah.
छक्का ना चौका.
Oh, chaka not chaka.
Yeah.
देवर ढूंढे मौका.
Deva tunde donka.
I'm done. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bacha.
Thank
Bacha bhai.
Yeah.
You're a champion. You're a champion.
The champ.
Such a pleasure to meet
Thank you. It's a pleasure. But I also want to say that you have very famous people. You have millions of followers. I just want to request. I have no followers. So will you please follow me?
Okay, wait, where are you going? Where are you going? Where?
Yeah. Social media account I don't have. Follow me.
Where?
Follow me.
बच्चा, get out of it. Guys, please.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, Bacha.
I'll see you.
Brett sir, you know, in India what happens? Cricket is so popular that, in my childhood, we used to play cricket in our streets.
Yeah.
You know?
Gully cricket.
Yeah, gully cricket.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's so much good in Hindi. So we used to play cricket, Last time I discussed with you also. So my mother, used to wash the dirty clothes with that. We called it thapi. It's made of wood. So whenever we get a chance, we stole that thapi from our house and we are playing cricket. When our mother got to know that thapi is missing, she's coming in the street abusing us. Where are you? Where are you? Abuses I can't translate because they are too hard.
So what happens if mum's done the washing and your underwear's still on the bat? What happens?
We play in the street. In Jamaica,
Oh,
we
in
play in
Jamaica.
the street as well. You know, that's how I grew up.
Does it ever happen you are playing, you hit a sixer, and suddenly after 30 seconds, one man is running towards you. And he said, you broke my glass. And
Oh,
when he saw you, he said, no, no, there is no fault of yours. My glass was weak. Did you broke any glass of your neighbor?
Yes,
Ever?
many.
Wow.
Many car glasses, you know.
Oh.
They have to give the club the invoice and those sort
Really?
of things as well.
Windscreens?
Yeah, a lot of windscreen. I've broken a lot of windscreen.
We had a
even
roller
windows
door.
as well. I've smashed a lot of
Yeah,
windows.
Wow.
It's a universe boss, man.
We had like a garage door at home, a big garage door, like about the size of that. And I think it's still there today, the house that we grew up in, and it's got dings from where we were born with the cricket ball, all you know, across the
Wow.
the door,
Famous.
everywhere. It's covered in dings.
Because there is a famous saying in India, chakke chuda dena, means completely destroy your opponent.
Chake chuda dina.
Dena.
Chake chuda dina.
Yes,
Wow.
yes, which you are doing from last so many years.
Yes.
I think it is because of you, you know, the players like you.
Absolutely. I love it.
Guys, as you all know, Brett Lee was one of the fastest bowler in the world. He used to deliver with a speed of 150 km per hour. You all know. So, Brett, you were so fast in your delivery. Have you ever thought to become a gynecologist in your college days? Sorry for my question. But you know, we need, you know, more gynecologists because, you know, in India, in terms of population, we produced Australia in 1 year. In 1 minute, we are producing 49 kids.
Well, I have 3 children. They're the best 3 deliveries I've ever bowled.
Bowl him!
Let me remind you, during the 2019 T20 World Cup, Chris scored 27 runs in 1 over of Brett Lee, which is good thing for Chris, not for Brett Lee.
Yes.
You must be very angry that time. Have you ever thought to buy a new SIM card on the name of Arco and abuse him?
100%. Or troll him on Twitter or Instagram or something. But I bowled a ball in England, bounced him. He went, the ball still hasn't landed. It went over the fence, over the stadium,
Wow.
over the road, and landed in the back of a school play yard.
My God.
That was a chaka chuda dino.
Compromise, we hang up a dagger.
Brett, is there any moment in Australia especially,
Yeah.
when, you know, Indian team went there to play and you went to Sachin or Sehwag or Yuvraj and you told them, see, my girlfriend or my wife is there watching me live. Don't play so hard. I will take you out for shopping after the match. You know, I mean, you are friends with all the, you know, players.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's been plenty of occasions where I've got batsmen out, but they've smacked me as well. You know, every time that we played against Sachin Tendulkar, he normally got 100 against us. I mean, he's a genius. But no, it was more so. We always played, same as I was played against, you know, the universe boss. We always play so hard on the field. Like, there's energy, there's sledging, it's fun. But off the field, we're really good friends. I caught up the other day with Sachin, which was nice to see for afternoon tea. But there's no cricket balls bowled, luckily.
Nice. But, you know, of course, I know you were friends with all the players, but people were scared of your bowling, you know?
Very quick.
Like you, I mean, bowlers are scared to bowl you, know?
I mean, I was scared too. Brett Lee bowling 95 miles per hour, that's not an easy thing to face. You know,
Wow.
so it's a good thing I was young that day anyway still. And have a good eyesight at the time. And I could have picked up his delivery.
It was always funny, though, that, you know, you'd be at breakfast prior to a test match or a one-day match, and, you know, both teams would be staying at the same hotel. And I'll be down there, and someone from the opposition would offer would you like a juice? Do you want some coffee? Do you want some more toast? I'm like, I'm still going to bounce you.
They're trying to be nice
But
to
thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll have a coffee, but look out.
Yeah, try to be friendly.
So we have some of your pictures, which you posted on Instagram and social media for your fans. You know, nowadays, people started writing very funny comments. because we started a segment
Yep.
where we show celebrities their pictures and they write very funny comments.
Okay.
Let's have a look.
This is the best.
क्रिस ने ये फोटो डाला है. I'm a pull up baby. Okay, let's read the comment. आपकी स्माइल जान ले लेती है क्या? आप मेरी बीवी के सामने स्माइल कर देंगे? Someone wrote, you have a killer smile. Can you please smile in front of my wife and kill her?
What a comment.
ये सही है. अगर गाड़ी में पेट्रोल खत्म हो जाए तो हाथ से उठाकर भी पेट्रोल पंप तक ले जा सकते हैं.
Very small.
और दिखाइए. इस बच्चा गाड़ी में भी पेट्रोल डलता है या चॉकलेट वाला दूध डालना पड़ता है?
Milkman is in town.
और दिखाइए. So Brett sir posted this. Wow,
Wow, what a photo.
you are looking very handsome.
Yeah. Wanna come much on?
Oh. This is very comfortable, you know, traditional dress of India.
It's very
Especially-
comfortable, but it's when the wind blows, it's a
You have to take care of yourself. But it has a inbuilt air conditioner.
bit. Yeah.
Nobody can stop the air going inside it. बस बातें बड़ी आ रही, मेरे से इंग्लिश में नहीं बन रही बस. Let's read the comment, please. Hey Lee, what are you wearing? Someone replied, this is धोती जिसमें चेन नहीं होती. आदमी जब पहन के सोती धोती मुंह पे होती. Hey Brett, is it true that you are a relative of Bruce Lee? No.
No.
लुंगी पहनकर खेलने का फायदा तो है. LBW आउट नहीं हो सकते. बॉल धोती में फंस जाएगी. और दिखाइए.
Yeah.
आर्को ने फोटो डाला है ये. My new found excitement desert bike हबीबी मोड activated. Very nice picture.
Habibi.
दिखाइए कमेंट्स. हबीबी मोड पे हो इसलिए खुश हो. बीवी मोड पे होते तो वाइफ बाइक पे बैठी होती और आप धक्का लगा रहे होते. ऐसी बाइक पे बैठने का एक फायदा तो होता है. लेट रात घर आओ तो कुत्तों के काटने की संभावना बहुत कम हो जाती है. भाई अगर सर पे ये पट्टा ना बांधो तो दुबई वाले एंट्री नहीं देते क्या? और आगे दिखाइए. क्रिस ने फोटो डाला है. स्वीट लाइक शुगर. क्रिस, व्हाट आर यू हैविंग? व्हाट इज दिस ड्रिंक? I mean, it's so big like a watermelon.
It's like it's a watermelon, like a cocktail, like.
Mojito.
Yeah.
It looks like a fish
So
bowl.
sweet, but I'm sweeter. Yeah.
जब आप अपने बजट से महंगी ड्रिंक ऑर्डर कर दो तो आंख ऐसे ही फटी की फटी रह जाती है. That expressions when waiter mention the price of the drink.
Yeah.
When you are enjoying your drink and suddenly your wife asks, where were you last night? Our 90 ml drink is equal to 30 ml for Chris. जिस तरह से ये देख रहे हैं वेटर तो बिल लेकर ही नहीं आएगा. और दिखाइए. Oh, rated the old man's veggie patch with the kids. How good. Very nice picture, sir.
Is this in your backyard, Brett? Yeah?
That's at Mum and Dad's
Your
place.
mum and dad's place.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
wow.
they've got my dad's got a veggie garden. It'd be as big as this studio. It's massive.
Awesome.
Wow, wow.
Wow.
So as long as we get in there before the karagosh, then we can eat it.
Oh, the rabbits.
The
a lot of
rabbits,
those.
rabbits get in there and they eat it.
We are Hindi so well bred, sir.
Yeah, Khargosh.
You know, very, very, I mean...
Khargosh.
Okay, let's read the comments, please. आम आदमी हो या फेमस क्रिकेटर, फ्री का सामान कोई नहीं छोड़ता.
Yes, exactly.
You are my biggest crush. I like your face more than your pace.
Thank you.
And that's from Bacha.
वीकेंड पर इनका दोस्त बॉटल ला रहा है. इन्होंने सैलड बनाने का काम लिया हुआ है. और दिखाइए. धन्यवाद. आप सब जानते हैं ना कि हमारा इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का मैच जब होता है हमें तो क्यूरियोसिटी होती है ये देखने की. पूरी दुनिया को ये जानने की उत्सुकता होती है कि कौन जीतेगा.
Yeah.
In Australia or West Indies, is there any specific match people are mad about?
That's always a big build-up. India, Pakistan.
Same
you know,
match.
it's a rivalry.
same,
Everybody
yeah.
always look
पूरे
forward to that.
दुनिया में this
You have
must be
to-
like one of the biggest sporting spectacles, right?
Oh, it
in
is.
the world.
And like
Yes.
Australia versus England, the Ashes
Ashes,
is always
yes.
always
Yeah,
big.
yeah, that's yes.
But Australia versus India now is big in a test match.
Yeah.
It's funny though, I have been to an Indian wedding and that's like a test match. It goes for 5 days.
Kapil, I had a question for Brett. You have a beer company in Sydney, right?
Yeah, it's going well. So we're actually coming out to India next year. So yeah, we launched in Australia back in 2016. We're in Malaysia and China, coming out to India next year. So it's very, very, very excited. Yeah.
You know, there was a purpose why she asked this question to you. Can
So
you give her a
next time I'm
lifetime
here, I'm going to
free
bring
membership?
all the beer for you, okay?
Oh, lovely.
One crate बोला इन्होंने? No, she's asking for lifetime free membership.
Done. Free beer for you.
देखा?
आज तो आपके दीवाने हुए बड़े इंटरनेशनल लोग.
मैं
देखो
अकेली
आप.
हूँ ना लड़की यहाँ पर आज.
अच्छा, जैसे आम लोगों में आपने देखा होगा जो मैच देखते हैं ना, वहम बड़े होते हैं, सुपरस्टिशंस बड़ी होती हैं. इंडिया में होता है ना कि ऐसा कि यार आदमी को बाथरूम भी जाना तो उठता नहीं कि नहीं विराट कोहली खेल रहा है, अगर मैं उठ गया तो ये ना आउट हो जाए. बे तू जा, कहीं तेरा ना कहीं आउट हो जाए, है ना?
Yes.
तो do you believe in superstitions?
Sometimes, but I always put my left shoe on first.
Oh.
It may be habit, maybe routine, but I did it one day and got a few wickets, so I thought I don't want to upset the gods, you know? So
I think it's more a habit to, for me, to be honest. It's not more superstitious. It's just something you build yourself into, and just become a habit for you to just continue doing it.
we played against a guy from South Africa called Neil McKenzie. Very, very superstitious.
Oh.
So he went out to bat one day in a test match and scored 100. And someone had lifted all the toilet seat
Oh, up.
up.
Okay.
So next time we went out to bat, all the toilet seats had to be up. I mean, crazy.
सिर्फ इंडियन नहीं, हर तरफ लोग. So we have a, we always do some interaction with our
Yeah,
audience.
great.
So आप लोग भी बिलीव करते हैं, कुछ ऐसा है तो आप लोग बयान कर सकते हैं. जी भाई साहब, माइक दे दीजिए इनको.
हेलो एवरीवन.
हेलो.
हेलो कपिल सर.
हेलो, वेलकम.
मेरा नाम कन्हैया ज्ञानचंद सीता पटवा है और मैं
क्या
सर कन्हैया ज्ञानचंद सीता पटवा सर.
ये एड्रेस भी साथ में बताया आपने?
नहीं सर, वो फैमिली का भी नाम है सर.
His name is so long. I thought he's mentioned address also. Okay.
I think your parents had a lot of spare time.
Yes, कन्हैया जी.
सर वैसे मेरा जॉब, मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ क्लास में
अच्छा जी.
11-12 के लिए. मेरा भी रिसेंटली
यार
एग्जाम.
आप अभी खुद इतने छोटे से लग रहे हो. और
हाँ सर, वो चेहरे से लग रहा हूँ लेकिन मैं तेज के ऊपर का हूँ सर.
चेहरे से लग रहे हो तो कहाँ से बड़े हो?
बॉडी से. सर जैसे कि सुपरस्टिशन की बात हो रही है, अंधविश्वास की, तो मेरा भी एक सुपरस्टिशन है सर जो मैं मानता हूँ.
अच्छा।
स्नीजिंग सर, छींक जो आती है.
हाँ.
लोगों के लिए स्नीजिंग अशुभ होता है सर, लेकिन मेरे लिए सर शुभ है, पॉजिटिव है. सर अगर मुझे स्नीजिंग आ गया, मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, एक टॉपिक मैंने छोड़ दिया बिकॉज थोड़ा प्रेशर आ गया, रात तक पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो मुझे फिर वो पढ़ लेना है सर. अगर वो मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ तो एग्जाम में वही आता है सर. बोर्ड में भी ऐसा हुआ है और यहाँ पे एमएससी में भी ऐसा हुआ है सर. इसलिए मैं अपने कॉलेज में मैंने टॉप 3 रैंक आया सर. तो मेरे लिए पॉजिटिविटी है सर स्नीजिंग.
अगर आपको जुकाम लग जाए आप तो आईपीएस बन सकते हैं.
हो सकता है सर.
शुक्रिया कन्हैया जी, धन्यवाद. अच्छा, वो फातिमा सॉन्ग जो क्रिस और आर्को ने साथ में किया, अभी तक हमने वो सुना नहीं सर.
हाँ.
हो जाए प्लीज.
Chris,
Yeah, tell them.
can we please Brett sir, please join.
Come, Binga.
So this song is a surprise for all of you guys. जिस तरीके का म्यूजिक मेरा आप सुनते हुए आए हैं उनसे थोड़ा अलग है, यूनिक है. And thanks to Universe Boss, thanks to Brett sir to join us. Of course, the best stage of India, the world perhaps.
Great track.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हमारे मेहमानों के लिए.
Thank you.
A pleasure. Hope you enjoyed yourself.
Yeah, fun.
Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoyed
Arko
yourself.
sir,
Beautiful.
Brett sir, Chris, my bro, it was wonderful having you on our show. It was so much fun. Thank you so much for coming.
Beautiful.
शुक्रिया दोस्तों, आप सभी की मोहब्बत के लिए. आप सब लोग ऐसे ही हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, खुश रहे, आबाद रहे और देखते रहिए द कपिल शर्मा शो। गुड नाइट, शुभ रात्रि, शब खैर। थैंक यू।